everybody, Craig here. Been having trouble with the ABS lights on our trailers lately, so I was going to show you what the shop showed me to get an idea, figure out what it is before you go to the mechanic, or sometimes you can fix it yourself. So we'll go up front here and take a look. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unhook the pigtail 3 times and then plug it back in on the 4th time, and the ABS light's going to give me a code, hopefully, to give me an idea of what it is. So let's give this a shot. There she's blinking now. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so she's putting out a code 6. So there's a website you can go to on your phone. It's ABS, trailer ABS codes. So let's go on here and take a look at it. We got 6. Sensor 2. So it's got a sensor that's not communicating back there. So this is what our problem's been lately. So we'll go to the back here and take a look at sensor 2 and see what we can find. All right, so sensor 2 is the right side ABS sensor. So I'll wiggle my butt under here and take a look-see. Let's see here. Yeah, here we go. A little camera lady can get under here. Look at that. This is the problem we've been having. Sensor 2 is unplugged. These happen a lot on our trailers. I don't know if anybody else has that problem. So let's hook this back up and see if we can get off the DOT radar. All right, she's hooked up. Let's see what happens. Now we'll go back up front, reset the system. All right, we're just gonna reset it, so we're just gonna unplug it. We're gonna wait. And we'll plug it back in. Let it do its cycle and see what it does. ABS lights off. It was just a sensor unplugged. But this will give you an idea, you know, because you do a lot of drop and hook. Guys don't say anything. So you go into a shop, at least you got an idea where you're at. I put a link to this this website here I use in there, so maybe it'll help you all out. So like I said, it keeps you off the radar. So good luck. Take it easy.